Well, we're looking at the weather impact going forward, and this week is going to turn out to be very stormy and unsettled. We'll have multiple rounds of rain and storms, and some of those storms will have some downpours and the risk of gusty winds, and we're going to be breaking down that timing in the next few moments. But how much rain could we see? Let's jump right into the numbers, and I expect it could be some heavier doses of rain, widespread 1 to 2 inches of rainfall that may be coming down, and it's not out of the question with the atmosphere sort of juiced up. You probably felt it, more humid feeling weather. We could get some totals that reach over 2 inches of rain by the time we get toward the end of the work week. So keep that in mind. That warmer, more humid feel is going to kind of juice up the atmosphere. Now, we are dry right now, but let my attention turn over toward the west. There is a zone that's being monitored where the greatest risk of severe weather this evening is going to be west of us, but it is very possible a couple of these storms make their way across Indiana as we get closer to sundown time, or perhaps even before, some storms into northwestern Ohio. So I've got my eyes on it. I'm not all that concerned of any widespread severe weather, but there is a severe thunderstorm watch that does extend across I-69 up to the Ohio-Indiana border, and a few isolated strong to severe storms out in this area. Keep a close eye on it, but nothing that's going to be concerning the next couple of hours as we are warm and very humid. Look at this. We are well into the lower 80s, a warm southerly breeze. The descent temperatures skyrocketing. This week is going to be stormy and unsettled. Weekend's going to track a powerful cold front Saturday that will actually send us toward cooler feeling weather as we get into the middle of April toward next week. So hour by hour forecast. Here's that brief chance we get some storms, especially west of I-75. That'd be between about 7:30, 8 p.m. By about 9 p.m. a few of those storms make their way into the I-75 corridor. Then they fade away. It's very unlikely they'd bring any strong to severe storms. Tomorrow morning, a brief chance we get some scattered showers and storms in the morning. So some wet weather early in the day. Likely we're going to be dry most of the afternoon as we go through your Tuesday. 81, another warm feeling day for Tuesday. Highs again right around that 80-degree mark. And my 10-day forecast is lower 80s for Tuesday. Morning showers and storms Tuesday. Another round Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Storms could be likely on Wednesday. Still going to see the highs in the 70s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Another round of storms possible Thursday. And again, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible the next 3 days. Dry weather on Friday and then another cold front Saturday. Let's watch that close because that looks to be a powerful cold front on Saturday. We're going to go from near 80 Saturday afternoon to 50 on Sunday. It will be a much cooler end of the weekend, and that will kick off a trend toward cooler weather that will stick around for the second half of that 10-day forecast as we go deeper into the second half of April.
So the fact it's 77 when I left today, that was in my house. That's just, it's a minor blip on the long scale.
Little blip on the longer scale thing, but it's kind of like we took that dial and we cranked it up pretty quick.
Oh, yeah.
It happened yesterday morning through the afternoon. And it looks like most of this week is going to be warm and noticeably more humid. Heads up, that pollen count's going to be kind of exploding as well because spring is in full bloom.
Load up on that medication, right?
You'll need it.
My wife would say, I like it like this.
The muggies?
I'm in the house, being that warm, close to 80. I'm immediately ready to go hit the AC.
I live in 6 months of cold weather. I'll take the heat this time of the year.
All right. I'm a loser.
Let's do it.